Biggie. This goes out to you. This goes out to you, and you, and you, Biggie, you. This goes out to you.
This is Eric. I can't ride on camera either. I know I sound like monotone. I feel like Ben Stein or some shit. Alright, name's Eric Ballard, TBC Bike Check. Got Animal Sherbo bars, Corey Martinez grips, and Profile Stem. I don't know what it's called. It's clean. Odyssey Flatland Forks, Odyssey Hazard Light wheel set, Profile cassette in the back. I don't know what kind of chain it is, whatever. WOM bolts and Odyssey Vermont sprocket, plastic pedals, We the People pegs, McNeil seat. Guess that's about it. Oh, no, shit. Wow, that's bad. She's really gonna kick my ass. I got this custom frame here. It's a Mid-City Bikes prototype, number 2 of 2. It was originally for Mickey Marshall until he got hooked up by FBM. Got lucky and managed to snag one. Super limited. Feels great. I don't know all the angles, but it's like the best fucking frame ever. So, sorry for forgetting that, Steve. Travis. All y'all haters. You just gotta roll with the fucking. Don't edit it or anything. Just
trying to blow up like nitro and dynamite sticks. Man, I smoke hydro, rock diamonds that sick. Got paid off my flow, rhyme with my own clip. Take trips to Cairo, laying with your bitch. I know you playing, you was rich, fucking prick. When I see you, I'ma kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. Kick in the door, waving the 4-4. All you heard was Papa, don't hit me no more. This goes out to those that choose to use disrespectful views on the king of NY. Fuck that, why try? Throw bleach in your eye, now you're brilling it. Slash that light shit, I'm scaling it. Conscience of your nonsense. In 88, so more powder than Johnson & Johnson. Tote steel like Bronson. Vigilante, you wanna get on, son? You need to ask me. Ain't no other kings in this rap thing. They siblings, nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. It's ill when MCs used to be on party shit.